Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to catch new videos. I upload every Sunday. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing my first ever makeup look here on YouTube. And of course, it is in honor of Valentine's Day, which is coming in just a couple of weeks. And I really want to step outside of the box and not do the conventional red lip, and I went with something a little warm, a little sultry, and it's what I'm wearing right now. So if you want to see how I got this super warm and sultry look for Valentine's Day, then please keep watching. Starting off with a clean face, moisturized skin, prime face, and as you saw, moisturized lips. We are going to be going in with the NYX Color Correcting Concealer in the number 4. As you can see, the pod is almost empty. I use that a lot for my dark circles. After applying that, I like to go to my eyebrows. I'm going in with the NYX Micro Brow Pencil in the color Brunette. I use the thinner pencil just to outline my eyebrows, and then I'm going to be going in with the NYX Sculpt and Highlight, also in the color Brunette, to fill in my eyebrows. I personally don't like the highlight end of this cream pencil, but the other side works wonders to fill in your brows. After I've filled in my brows, I'm obviously going to conceal them, and for that I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the color NW35. I honestly feel like cream concealers are so much easier when shaping out your eyebrows. I have tried liquid and it just doesn't give it that sharp effect like you are seeing right now. After I apply it with that smaller brush, I am going to go in with a mini beauty blender and just blend that out. I like everything to look super seamless, super blended, and yeah. So now we're going in with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using 2 in the color Tan Sand and Deep. 1 because Deep is too dark for me and Tan Sand is too light for me. So I just mix them together and I apply that all over my lid and prepare it for the eyeshadow. And for eyeshadow today, we're going to be using the Carli Bybel Deluxe Edition palette with the 21 eyeshadows and highlighters. I love this palette, very universal. You can use it for so many different things. This was a really good buy. Anyway, I go in with the orange color that is the third one in on the top row on my lid and just apply that all over. Then I'm going in with the brown color, which is the third color in on the third row, and I just apply that into my crease. I like to start off looking a little bit more natural. You want to build up, you don't want to go in heavy right away. Then I'm going to go in with the darkest color in the palette, and I'm going to add that to my outer V. I'm going to give my eye some shape, and my colors I already have on my lid a little bit of dimension. Now over here it's still looking super natural, so I'm going to go back in with the second color in on the top row, which is a orange mixed with pink kind of shimmer, and I'm going to apply that on the lid just to give it a little bit of a pop. And then I'm going to be going in with the brush I used to apply my crease color and just blend everything out. You are going to see me blend because I want everything to just look like it's flowing. I'm going to go back with that darker color on my lower lash line and just line it out. Then I'm going to go back with the same brush and just blend that out. Then we're going to go back to the Carli Bybel palette. The second color on the last row is what I'm going to use to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm also going to go back with the crease brush and just blend that out once more. Now once we're done with the eyes, we're going to be going back to the Tarte Shape Tape and apply more concealer. This is not something you have to do, but I do it because my dark circles are just so dark. I want to use as much concealer as I can to obviously conceal them. I'm going to go in with the Maybeline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder. I do not bake. I think it's super drying to my eyes, but I like to set it because I use a liquid concealer, but I use a powder foundation, which is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro in the color Sable 21. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I just love the way this concealer makes my skin and my face look, and the color, I gotta say, matches perfectly. And I'm about to jam out in 3, 2, 1. Get it, girl. So we're going to just bring that down the chin and down the neck. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel. I like to put this on after I've done my foundation and stuff, just so I'm not getting any product on my eyebrows. Now we're going to contour this face. And using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in the palette Medium to Tan. And I'm just going to apply that in all the areas of contouring, as you already know. And the first color I use is the Espresso. I keep it closer to my ear to give my contour a sharper look. And then I go in with the color Havana just to warm everything out and bring it all the way to my cheeks. And I'm about to realize right now that I didn't show you guys the palette and the colors that I used to contour. And now I'm showing you. We're going to go back to the Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going to be highlighting with the gold color that's in the fourth row. The fourth row is basically two huge rectangles. So I use that gold one. I just, oof. I just love the way it looks, and I mean, it's amazing. Very pigmented. Now we're moving on to blush, which is the holy grail of all holy grails, and that is MAC in the color Peaches, and that is a Sheertone blush. I absolutely love it. It just warms up my face. So good. And then we're going back with that same highlight from the Carli Bybel palette to highlight our Cupid's bow. Now I'm going to set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray and get another beauty blender and just blend that out. Just push that product in and just make everything look seamless. Now we're going to move on to lashes. I'm applying the L'Oreal Voluminous Base Primer on my lashes. And then for mascara, I went with the Urban Decay Perversion. Now with this look, it's up to you. You can just use mascara and do a couple of coats. But I thought I would just, you know, take the look to the next level and have some lashes. Now I'm going to be using the Ardel Glamour lashes in the color Black number 105. I'm not the best at applying lashes, but it wasn't as bad as I thought, and I got them on. So if they don't look completely perfect, my apologies, but I got them on and I think they look pretty good to me. The tool I'm using also came with my eyelashes that I bought. I think it was a 2-pack that I got from Ardel. I think it's really useful to help, you know, get your eyelashes in the perfect place. So that's what I'm using, as well as my fingers to get my lashes to stay on and, you know, look very natural-ish. Try to look natural. After I've applied my lashes to the to my top lashes, I'm going to just come in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise on my bottom lashes. I like the wand on this one better than the Urban Decay for my bottom lashes. They're really tiny and I don't really like to get mascara all over the place. So once I finish up with my eyes, we're going in with the final step, which is also one of my favorites other than applying highlight, and that is applying the lip. For lip pencil, I'm going to use MAC in the color Spice. And for lipstick, I am going to be using a matte lipstick from MAC in the color Persistence. It's kind of like an orange nude, and I just love it. I love the way it dries. I kind of feel like it looks a little bit like natural. But yeah, that's it. And this is the finished look. I think it came out super nice, very glowy, super warm, and pretty simple. I really enjoy the way it came out. BT dubs, I always thought, like, when I saw clips like this in videos, I'm like, how can you even record that, like, with a straight face? But I'm telling you, if you put on the right song... Voila! And that's how I got this super warm and sultry look for Valentine's Day. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I upload every Sunday. And until next time, guys, bye!